Hello children! Today we're going to read simple sentences. Are you ready children? Please repeat after me. Wake up early. Wake up early. It's your turn children. Good job! Fix your bed. Fix your bed. It's your turn. That's great. Eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. Clean your room. Clean your room. Read your book. Read your book. Help your friend. Help your friend. Your turn. Good job. Share your toys. Share your toys. Play with your friends. Play with your friends. You ran fast. You ran fast. Climb up a tree. Climb up a tree. Feed your chickens. Feed your chickens. Write your name. Write your name. Study your lesson. Study your lesson. Count your fingers. Count your fingers. Listen to your mom. Listen to your mom. Good job, children!